Hello and welcome to our crooked bus.
The result of a warm-up in the middle of March in Minnesota.
It melted all the snow on this side of the bus. Well, the bus is shaded this side, so everything is kind of just shifted by a few inches.
It's a little bit startling when you're standing in the bus while everything's shifting and you know the parking brake is on and you know you shouldn't be moving, but...
Yeah, the bus shifted off of its little piers that the tires had made from shading the snow and shifted off of it right after we got here today. And
yeah, I'm pretty sure our movement on the bus had something to do with
Probably.
it, but it startled me a little bit.
But now the bus is crooked, but whatever. It's
okay. It's staying in one place for the moment, so.
In this video, we dismantle all the passenger stuff in this bus.
Seats, overhead compartments,
Walls, ceilings.
panels, yeah everything.
Pretty much got everything inside the bus.
I'll stand in front of the heater then. And I will stay warm in this cold, gross Minnesota winter. So today we're ripping out seats. There's only a couple. It shouldn't take too long, right?
She's up there for now. You're just gonna hang out in front of the heater?
I am, yep.
Spot on the bus right now?
Right now, yes it is. Perfect.
One down. Quite a few more to go. I don't know how we get them out of the bus. Do we take that railing off?
Can we? How easy does it come off? There's
I don't know.
screws along this edge. I don't know how it's attached over here other than these. Otherwise it's going to have to be up and over the railing. Wow, that makes a huge difference. It doesn't seem like much when you think about what you're doing, but that is huge. Take that front railing out. And seats so far. God, that looks nice.
Oh, wanna go up?
Might as well.
Okay.
Might not stay that way.
I'll stay that way.
Oh, there's a lot of money over here, Connor, and garbage.
Ooh, money?
I think we had a productive day so far. We still have these stupid overhead bins in that Andy keeps cracking himself on the head with, but one set of seats left. And then this bus has no seats.
I don't think there's anything in this system anyway. I think it's empty. Yeah, this thing was empty anyway. I mean, when I say empty, there's something in it, but that's not. I think everything's disconnected. You can take that side. This side is hooking on the foam. I gotta go out. I gotta go back in. It's hooking on the metal too. Okay. Got the top, so can you?
The top side?
Yeah. You can sway it like that, and there, now I can take it.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
quickly, aren't we? First you gotta take this little cappy cap off, which I just scratched it. There we go. And then behind there is a Phillips screw. And you can slide this off. And wiggle these connectors down and through. Ooh, that one came apart nice and easy for me. This one's taped on all of them. I don't know why. I don't think they wanted the metal to touch the metal. That's what it takes to take the monitor out. But now you gotta take all the bracketry off. That bracket's gotta come off. So you can get to these screws. Take that trim off so you can get to a pair of bolts to take the rest of the bracket off. These don't have to come all the way off because they're hooked up to little things like that that go in a track. And then I come over here. Because I have no clue if these things have value to them. But I know they do not have value if I lose everything. I put them all back together. And hope I can sell it. Put it up here with the rest. After removing the first overhead bin in one long piece and having to cut it into sections to fit it out of the bus anyway, I decided the second one would be a lot easier just to cut in sections while still attached to the bus.
It smells weird.
Yeah, that's fiberglass you're smelling.
Oh, can I inhale that?
Yeah, for sure.
Should I?
No, but you can. It's nice having half of these overhead bins out.
Yeah, it is. Really opens it up.
For the bins on the left side of the bus, we decided it'd be easier to cut them while they were still attached to the bus and take them down in pieces. This was, I guess, easier to get down, but it made a lot of fiberglass dust, and it was mostly made above my head. So even though I protected myself quite well, I itched quite a bit when I got home that night. The sound moving, but not really. I think it broke loose. Or the bit slipped, one of the two. We're about to find out.
Okay. It's moving.
Just the bit fucked up. God damn. I twisted the Bosch bit too.
See that? Whoa.
This is my last hope without cutting it. Really don't want to have to cut it. Every 6 inches or so there's a screw. And I gotta pull this glue off on this rubber floor and get to them.
One of the least pleasant things to discover when we've been dismantling this bus is all the just absolute filth in the bus. I don't know if they ever cleaned the bus at all, like between the seats, or if you've ever ridden in a car with kids, you know this bus hauled kids, because I think every single window seat that was available had soda spilled all down the side.
And gum wrappers, and gummy bears.
Candy and pens and mayonnaise packets and forks and a shit ton of money.
Yeah.
Change like you would not believe. We found a loonie and 2 presidential dollar coins, so Connor was over the moon.
Yeah. How much money do you think total was found?
At least $10.
Yeah.
At least $10 and change. And I know there are still some nickels and pennies in the tracks along the floor here where the seats were hooked up because they fell down and I haven't taken the time to dig them out yet.
There was a lot of filth in this bus.
It's gross.
I'm kind of glad we ended up with as new a bus as we did.
Well, and if you lift up the seat cushion and the back seat of the bus that was just tucked in the back there, the cushion comes off and it was sitting on a platform. The whole top of the platform is just black. It's just gross. Ugh.
At least we're getting rid of all of that.
Gloves aplenty while cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh. Ugh.
That's gross. That smelled like piss as I cut through the floor down below the bathroom there.
Okay.
Oh, that's 10. Let's not do that.
Probably have to pull this now.
Yeah. Watch there be more back there.
Oh, there will be.
No, there's really not.
Right.
One of the things I miss most about teaching is watching students learn. I had a couple former students come and help me, and I sat at the back of the bus and just watched them as they took apart parts of the bus. Most of this bus is put together like layers of an onion. This layer has to come off to take off this layer to take off this layer. And watching them try to find all the fasteners, find out what kind of fasteners they are, because there's a hodgepodge of everything on here. It was a lot of fun. I very much enjoyed it. Remembered what I liked about teaching.
It looked like they had a lot of fun too.
Yeah, they did have a lot of fun.
No. 716 is so big on that one, obviously.
One smaller, maybe. One smaller, maybe.
One smaller.
One smaller,
Maybe.
maybe. One bigger. What do you expect that to accomplish? This.
That's what I expected to accomplish.
Oh yeah, now do that side, huh?
Okay.
Not coming through is because of all these electronics. There's a speaker in here. What is it? Can you tell what kind of bolt that is?
That's a hay bolt.
Like that damn thing is not noticeable.
There's been both Torx and Phillips on this bus, so it could be either, judging by history. Not that that's going to help you any. And that brings us to the end of our video. Gutted bus,
No seats, no overhead compartments.
no walls. yeah, it's really coming together well. No surprises.
No, nothing dramatic at all.
No, like, oh, look at this floor is rotted, or look at this rust we didn't know about. Absolutely no surprises.
No. For now, knock on wood.
yeah, I'm sure there's going to be some surprises, but in the gutting of it, aside from, I thought the overhead counts were going to come out in a day, and it took 4.
Yeah, that was not fun.
No, those were held in quite well. But all in all, I'm real happy with where we're at. Time to start planning this, putting this bus back together.
Yeah, should be a good time.
Yeah. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And until next time, peace.
Bye.